Hey guys, back in the shock treatment workshop, and today we've got a track bike in. Now this track bike, we've just fitted a brand new Matrice shock absorber to it. Matrice are by far my favourite brand of suspension. The build quality, the efforts that they go to internally to ensure the best damping outcomes are phenomenal and far exceed that of any other brand that I've found. Now with this particular bike, it also has a brand new set of slicks on here. Now, one of the things when you're fitting brand new tyres to a bike is you'll find that the outer surface is actually quite slippery. Now, it's not that they use a release agent on these tyres when they make them, but the vulcanizing process actually brings a lot of the chemicals to the fore, and it creates this slick exterior. Now, basically, when you go and get tyres fitted at a shop, they will always tell you, hey, take it really, really easy for the first 50 Ks until you scrub these tyres in. And the reason they tell you that is because they're bloody lazy. Okay, now what you can do, this is actually quite a dangerous sort of situation if you went out on these tyres and went hard right from the start. Okay, until you get rid of that slippery surface, they don't have the optimum grip, and that's why the bike shops will advise you to take it very, very easy. Now, with racers, what they do, and they know a little secret, is they can prep these tyres because obviously you're not going to take it very easy for the first 50 Ks on the track. So what you do is a little bit of brake cleaner on here, and you just rub that, and now all of a sudden you can see that rag has got so much grip on there, and basically by putting the cleaner on there, you take all that shit off the outside of the tyre, and you can go out there and go to extremely fast lap times immediately. Okay, now this can be done at the shop level as well, but they don't do it. Okay, all it takes is just a little wipe, run that around the tyre, and what you'll find is that tyre is prepped, and it's much, much nicer for you to go out and ride your bike immediately. That should be done every time you buy a tyre. So if you're going in and getting your tyres changed at a shop, insist that they actually clean the tyre, and you won't have to worry about that 50 Ks. Okay, thank you very much.